how to show or hide personal results when you use voice wake up on the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on advanced features. Next, tap on Bixby. Then we go down and tap on use while lock. Tap on the left hand side panel. Then in here, make sure use while lock is turned on. And then we go down and tap on allow personal result. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. And here it said display personal result when you use voice wake up on the lock screen with respond to my voice. So when you turn this on, it will show your personal result. And what are your personal results? If you tap on here, personal result, it said that your personal result can be from data from messages, calendar events, contacts, reminders, and call logs. And the general results are like checking weather, making a call, sending message, taking picture, playing music, and so on. And that's it. So if you choose to show or hide personal result, you can tap on the toggle button here. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.